Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a story on the Artflow website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website of the Artflow, and after going to the website, we have to click on this option which is called Story Studio. So as you can see, let's click on the Story Studio. And after clicking on this, as you can see, you will be able to see the different types of story. This is a story which I have created. And in the sample stories, if you want to check out these stories, these are also provided here. You can read them as well. So if you want to build a new story, you can also do that. So you can see this is the free version. So we have to click on the new story. Let's click on the new story. I have a story. Help me to get a story. You can also provide your own one. For example, I'm going to click on this and I'm going to provide this one like, and after that, as you can see, you can choose anyone inspired by YouTube audience. Let's choose this. And now you write, for example, I'm going to write the romance or the crime. Let's choose the crime. And after that, for example, I'm going to write like the anything here. You can write whatever you want, and then you have to click on the generate the story outline. And after clicking on this, it will take few seconds and it will generate your story outline. And after that, you can edit that. You can choose characters. You can also change the characters as per your need. So as you can see now, it's just simply you have to click on the create this story. And after clicking on this, we have to choose the size. For example, I'm going to choose the size like the vertical. Then you have to type the art type. For example, I'm going to choose the digital art, and then we have to click on the continue to character creator. Let's click on this. And after clicking on this, it will again take few seconds in generating your story. You can also change your cartoonish 3D cartoon. As you can see, different types of these characters are also provided. You can also choose this type. And after that, your story will be created. So as you can see now it's generating, and after that you can edit the character, you can add the face as well. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can create your story on the Artflow website. So see you guys in the next video.